winter storm warning in effect from 4 a.m. to 6 p.m. Tuesday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 5 to 10 inches. Winds gusting as high as 40 miles per hour. Where? Suffolk and northern Nassau counties. When? From 4 a.m. to 6 p.m. Tuesday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning commute. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Check local Department of Transportation information services for the latest road conditions.